Okay, so in on the 180, we're going to get under the back end here, start cleaning out some of that rust, prevent it, put the rust preventer on, a bit of paint, whatever we need to do, we're going to get in there and start cleaning it up, see if there's any rust issues we actually need to fix. We're going to get in there, clean all that up so that we can then sort out the fuel tank. Now, the fuel tank we have is rough. We're still sort of assessing that. If we get a line on another fuel tank that's a lot better, we are going to swap it out. But at this stage, we'll just get this sorted. It's not an issue for later on. We did snap off one of the mounting bolts, so we're going to have to sort that out later. But at this stage, that's fine. So get in, clean this up, and then we can move on from there.
I ain't kidding. Boss. Demon on rhythm sauce.
So what we're going to use is this Concept Paints rust converter. Now it says to brush it on straight up as it is, straight out of the bottle and leave it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then wipe it off with a damp rag. So we'll probably end up backing it back out here onto the hoist, just giving a real light spray down with the gurney again, just to clean everything out. It's a bit of dirt and debris and anything like that. But we have given it a good brush and a good grind, taking off as much as what we can for now. If we find any more, we'll just repeat that process as we go. All the nooks and crannies without actually getting in there and sandblasting it or acid dipping it, which is the best two options. This is our best current option. There's nothing major in there, but we'll get this on, get it cleaned, and then we can start doing some undercoats in a few spots, get the black under the car sort of sorted for those areas, and then we've got some little rust bubbles in a few spots. We'll go through all that soon, but this is the first step. So we've got all the rust converter on there, just giving it a light hose off to get everything off there. I wasn't going to wipe it over with the damp rag. Same concept, I believe. So we'll let this dry out, and then we're going to just paint a couple of spots that are exposed, just double check that. Then push it back in the shed, and then we're into the wheel wells. There's a bit of work in both wheel wells on each side. We can do them individually. But we'll go through that shortly because there's a few issues related to that as well.